Hey everyone, so today we are making yum mama noodle salad, and it's another Thai dish that I absolutely fell in love with while visiting in Thailand. And it's really instant noodles mixed with really fresh vegetables and then just a ton of condiments, which really Thai people are very much known for. So it's really a quick and easy recipe that will spruce up any ramen dish. So one of the big things with this noodle salad dish is how many fresh vegetables are in there. And I would suggest that you guys, just really find what's around you, as I did. I had some enoki mushrooms, I had some oyster mushrooms, and usually you use these celery leaves, like the leaves that you find on top of celery. I didn't really have that, so I just chopped my celery kind of really thin, and that surprisingly added a really nice crunch to it. They also use something called water mimosa, which sometimes I cannot get a hold of, so I use some bok choy or just some greens that you find are tender and can cook fairly quickly as well. So I put some of that in. I have some red onion. All of this recipe is going to be down below, so there will be nothing confusing about this. I'm gonna cut some lime for the sauce later, and then I put in a button mushroom as well, because usually this dish has meat to it, but I always substitute mushrooms when there's something in place of meat, because it does have that nice meaty flavor. And then finally, I'm just going to take probably like a quarter stick of carrot and just julienne that, and that's gonna add a nice crunch and also some sweetness to this dish as well. Alrighty, so the vegetables are ready to go, so now we're going to cook the noodles. So there is this brand called Mama instant noodles, super popular. I think you can find it in many grocery stores, even in the West. And I find the one in the green tub to be the vegan friendly one. So I have a pot of boiling water going, and I'm just putting in the noodles as well as basically all of the vegetables. Now, if you're worried about the noodles getting a little bit too soft, you can choose to put that in at the end, but really I'm just putting in everything, probably like everything except the lime. And depending on you, like sometimes I'll like some fresh red onions towards the end, so I might not put all of that in, but just really get all of that together. And then I would say the noodles and everything only takes about a minute to cook. You kind of just want to blanch it. You don't want to get rid of too much of the crispiness, and hopefully that freshness stays. So after that, just drain it and set it aside. Now time for the dressing of this salad. So I have some vegan oyster sauce, a little bit of sugar, and then these are the packets from the instant noodles. Again, all of that recipe is going to be down below. And then I have some of this, so I bought some mushroom chili paste from Thailand, because you guys know I am horrible with spices. So this was kind of like a more demure version. Feel free to just, add your normal chili paste to that. And then a juice from a half a lime, and then I'm also going to add in some red chili peppers, both for color and then probably for a little bit of flavor as well. So just mix all of that together, and then you are ready to blend everything together. You get all of these textures and flavors, salty, spicy, sweet. Throw in the kitchen sink is really what Thailand is known for, and it's just this myriad of flavors that really sets Thai cuisine apart from the others. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you give it a try. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye!